This video we're going to look at the curve to element in your profile curves. So we're going to open up the profile model for that blue line in there in view number 8. We're going to be taking a look at the lines that are drawn on the top of this profile. For these tools, it requires that there be some element to select. We're going to go into Open Roads Modeling, Geometry, and we're going to go back into the vertical and then curves. We're doing profile curve to element. There are 3 options underneath there: parabola to element, circular curve to element, and profile curve to element. So we're going to look at those. We're going to look at this parabola to element first. We're going to do a trim and extend, set that to back. Also in the dialog you can set these other options in here if you wanted to, and we can give it a name. In this case we'll do PR. Come out on the screen, and we're just going to left click on that left line that's there. And now it's wanting to know an endpoint. You can key in a vertical curve parameter if you wanted, but it's looking for an endpoint, so we'll left click. If you move your mouse around, it's looking for where you want to end this new parabola. So we'll left click a location, and then it gives you a couple of options: option 1 and option 2. So we'll go with option 1 and we'll left click. And then trim and extend is set to back, so we'll accept that and it will trim it back. Now we have a parabola that's based on that line that goes to a specific endpoint. The next tool underneath there is the circular curve to element. We'll pick on that tool. Again, we're going to use the line on the right this time, but let's take a look at the dialog first. We're going to go out and trim and extend back. We can do a vertical curve parameter if we want, but we'll go ahead and give this one a name. We'll come out there on the screen and we'll left click on that blue line on the right. And again, we're going to give it an endpoint. And you can kind of see it's giving us options here to go up or down. Okay, and we're going to go down and left click wherever we want it to end. And then we're going to accept to trim it back. Okay, if we select that one we just created, we've got a vertical curve parameter we can change, we've got a length we can change, the other parabola that we put out there, same basic thing. So you do have the ability to make those changes. We'll take a look at the last option in there, profile curve to element. Go ahead and select that. Again, we have the blue lines down there we're going to mess with. We've got vertical offset, so we don't have to be right on that line, you can be offset. We're locking it in at 0. We're going to trim it back, and we can set these other options in here if we wanted to as well. We're going to make sure that it's set at parabola, can do circular as well, and we'll give the profile a name. Let's call this one PR2. And we'll come out on the screen, we're going to left click on the blue line on the right hand side. There it's asking for an offset. We've got it set at 0 right now, so we'll accept that. Vertical curve parameter, we're going to give it an endpoint. As we move out, it's giving us options to try and solve from 1 and 2. Okay. 2 is going to basically come back, and 1 is going to go right along that element. So we're going to pick 1 and trim it back. So we'll left click to accept that, and now we've got that line in there